Jigs, the great. I hear the truth in your lies, that's how I know you ain't loyal. No, you ain't loyal. No, you ain't loyal. I hear the truth in your lies, that's how I know you ain't loyal. No, you ain't loyal. No, you ain't loyal. Growing up, I'd have been through relationships, hurt by the truth that's made them switch. Can't find real, so I made a wish. Me getting married, gonna take the risk. Mother always told me don't trust a chick, they manipulate, they full of tricks. I'm well aware now, I made a list.
Hey, what's going on real quick? Hold on, let me grab the gray card. So basically I exposed this right here, gray card, for 6K raw NE at 95%. So basically the Nikon ZR is way different when it comes to zebras. Every other camera, Sony, they deal with their zebras very, very different. Nikon is like, it's way different, okay? So I'm gonna make this really quick. If you want to expose on this gray card in the Nikon ZR for midtones, you want to be at 95%. If you want to expose for the sky, you want to be on 245% in your zebras. If you expose for your highlights at 245, you're going to be straight. If you expose for midtones for skin tone at 95%, you're going to be straight. It's definitely a new learning curve for all the people that just got the Nikon ZR, because I never used a Nikon in my life. It's my first time using a Nikon in my life. So I was kind of like bugging out, like, damn, why is it not working? Why I can't get 33%? So this is how I'm doing it. This is how you can do it, and this is how you can get this same look. You heard? I'm out of here. ZR gang.